Hello, my name is Raquel DaCosta, and I'm here with some animal news. With here, Steve. Say hi, Steve. Hi. Okay, I know, he's not much of a talker. So, what is animal news, you say? Well, you can tell by the title. It's news about animals. Now let me get sophisticated so I can get into that a reporter look. Okay? Thanks. And I feel funny. So, first on the agenda. Saturday, April 7th. I got my first dog. Yay! Her name is Stella. If you have any questions about Stella, personal questions to me, please ask them on the comment board. Here's an example. I know you won't be able to read it, so I'll tell you. So, your YouTube name, Dear Raquel, how old is Stella? Then I respond, because I'm super little Einstein. I say, Dear, whatever your YouTube name is, Stella is, then I make a little joke there. I say, Stella is 7 weeks old, but she might be 8 weeks old soon. Okay, got it? Just please ask me the questions. Next, I was just browsing guinea pig videos on YouTube until I saw this video. Week. It's so cute. It's like, you spell it W-H-E-E-K with an exclamation mark, then you do that another 2 times. It's adorable. It's like, they go like, week. Then they stop in the middle for like about 10 seconds. And then, boom. Week. They go all loud and everything. So adorable. I just want to hug those piggies. They're not my pets. These videos that I'm telling you about, not my pets. What are you staring at? Okay. I'll go back to the news. I wish I could show you that video, but it's a late go. Sorry. I'm gonna fool around and of every video, like do something in weird voices. So, just to entertain you, okay? Next on the agenda, a dancing baby guinea pig. Tiny, but a great dancer. It's called, as a list over here, the name is Dancing Baby Guinea Pigs. They put S, but are you trying to potty train your pet? Well, this person's cat is potty trained. Why won't you ask this cat's owner how they did it? Ooh. Big whoop. I know. It's called Pooping Cat. That's a very interesting one. A very interesting title. Indeed. So, next. Remember earlier I talked a little bit about my dog Stella? She's a Shih Tzu. Okay? They're so adorable. Tiny, adorable, and feisty. And this Shih Tzu is very obedient. The title of the video is Very Obedient Shih Tzu Dog Fur. So how do you spell? So when you're writing Shih Tzu, it's S-H-I-H-T-Z-U. I think there's a space in between the H and the T. And then when you're writing fur, it's F-U-R. No extra R. And one on this. You may be thinking this news thing is boring, right? Well, I have something exciting to tell you. Okay, I have a spirit. Come on, come closer. Come on. I would bite. Come closer. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, closer. I'm having a contest! It's true. I'm not lying. Make a response video. Like, make a video and send it to me of you saying, I like cheese 3 times in your funniest voice. If it ain't funny, you ain't winning. Winner gets an official animal news poster. Don't worry, that's not the real thing. It's just an idea. I have a real one here, but I'm not going to show you. Then you're going to be all picky on the comments. Oh, I don't like that poster. Well, your opinion, but I'm just saying it's awesome. Okay. So, details. Don't worry, it's just an idea. Just so you know, the poster isn't real. Details. Contest ends June 4th. You want to hear mine? Okay, here's mine. Please, comment on that. And something else you can comment on. Comment on the poster. The poster, please comment on that. On, like, your opinion on my idea. Remember, June 4th, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock a.m. sharp. And June 11th. Bam. It's June 4th. Wait, not June 11th, June 3rd. Sorry, I'm all mixed up today. So yeah, June 4th. Bam. You're done. No more time. Sorry. Well, that's it for this episode. Oh, I know. It's like in minutes. Don't blame me. Blame the people who've been writing my script. Got it. Okay. Until next time. This is Raquel DaCosta signing out. Oh, before I sign out, to all you hackers out there, there's no point in searching me on Google. Got it? Because I searched myself on Google before. Doesn't work. Come on. It doesn't work. I don't have a Facebook account. I use my brother's to play the games. Ooh, some might think it. Well, until next time, this is Raquel DaCosta. Signing out. Bye-bye.